Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair Sennheiser CX Plus with your iPhone. So to do this you have to simply open this charging case, then remove both earbuds and click and hold these touchpads together until this indicator starts blinking. Blue and red, just like that. Right now we can release and put them close to your iPhone. The next step, we have to open the settings, go for the Bluetooth and turn it on by tapping on this switcher. Right now select CX Plus from other devices. We are successfully connected, and next step, we have to open the App Store where we can download the Sennheiser application. And I can highly recommend you to get this app because you can find here additional options. Like for example, we can use the sound equalizer, enable or disable touch gestures, or even customize them. You can also update the firmware. So right now we are downloading this application and we have to be patient and wait a little bit. Right now we can open that app. We have to accept all permissions and terms. Click skip in the right up corner and click OK. Right now application is looking for the nearby devices. Currently the earbuds are not detected. So we can try to click add device, select headphones and in-ears, and right now we can find them, so click on them once. Here we can find this simple first step guide. Click X in the right up corner, try to connect them one more time. Okay, so it looks like we have to manually pair them. On the Android phone this connection process is definitely faster than on the iPhone, but yeah, let's follow this step. Click and hold the right here to enter the pairing mode manually. So take a look for the indicators. They are blinking, so release them and click pair. Right now select them from the list, swipe up for the few times and click continue. And right now we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video, hope you like it.